Hey there, and welcome back to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating accounts within your company. Let's begin by understanding why accounts are useful. You can create accounts to structure your campaign efforts and establish separate budgets for various company areas, products, or projects. This approach provides insights into performance by area and simplifies budget management. Please note that, at this stage, you do not need to assign balances and profiles to your accounts. To begin this process, you must first go to the company home section on the main menu. A scrollable menu will appear. Select Accounts. Head to the Create Account card, then click on the plus sign. This action will trigger a window to appear on the right, where you can proceed by entering the required information. Begin by entering the account's name, followed by a description that encapsulates its purpose. Next, select the user or users who will have the authority to manage this account. Complete the process by clicking Confirm, and then press Yes. When you've successfully created the account, a pop-up window will appear at the bottom left of your screen to confirm the process. Note that once you're done, you will be able to see the account information box alongside the rest of the accounts. And that concludes this session. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform, and we hope you have an amazing day.